Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
MP kaseng Kongres na kajila Saleng Sangma. Habayakren makinong thok kubor ha Kongres Bhavan. Uloong baka sorkar badlam khamat da ka Kongres menchua. Kalaya Khun persya ban penduk jat yaki kampentrim ha kiseng Lehnoh. Ula bendrap da ka boong badang shen. Ulai ling ba kilat pathai kubor ba ka DGP jong gajela kalapan pau ba kiseng kiang atiar kila Sdang Biang bat ki Khun Samla gajela kila Leit Biang syaki jaka Jinghikai ne ka training syaki klau kane ka pelong penbanye ki bakin kerni hakikam sneu kum tau la kerpat ye ki jat ben rio baki dei ban pet bat ban perkhat shwa ban jam shakmat bat ban long ki balakre na ka Bynta ki singi ki ban wan.
Our state was once, even the Northeast was characterized as a militant zone area. Somehow the Congress has managed to, clear the path, wipe certain antisocial activities and brought it to peace. But it was so disturbing that just recently our DGP has announced that our youths has gone back for the training and some of them has already come back. That means partially their family, our family, Meghalaya family is destroyed and destroyed. So what were they doing in these years? When Congress has brought Meghalaya to peace, again they're pushing our youths back to the jungle and giving them this kind of training, which is very, very dangerous for our state, for our youths. Giving them training, making them drugs addict, making them, HIV positive. Where is our society going? I don't know. I would request through the media, through the people of the state, at least we should learn what has happened and what is happening so that we make a better choice in the days to come.